Today's topic is short tricks to find percentage. At first, I am going to discuss some basic concepts. Then, I will discuss some tricky techniques of percentage. Percentage formula: y% of x is equal to x into y by 100. Question: if 30% of a is equal to 60, find a. Solution: a is equal to 60 by 30% is equal to 60 into 100 by 30, or we get 200 answer. Some quick results: 5% of a number is equal to number by 20, 10% of a number is equal to number by 10, 12.5% of a number is equal to number by 8, 20% of a number is equal to number by 5, 25% of a number is equal to number by 4, 50% of a number is equal to number by 2. Question: find 20% of 400. Solution: here number is 400, 20% of 400 is equal to number by 5, that is 400 by 5, that is 80. Percent into fraction formula: fraction of x% is equal to x by 100. Question: express 12% in fraction. Solution: 12% is equal to 12 by 100 is equal to 3 by 25. Express fraction x by y into percentage formula, that is conversion from x by y into percentage is equal to x by y into 100. Question: convert 2.5 into percent. 2.5 is equal to 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 into 100% is equal to 5 into 25% is equal to 125%. X is what percent of y formula is equal to x by y into 100%. Question: 20 gram is what percent of 1 kg? Solution: 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Required percentage is equal to 20 by 1000 into 100% is equal to 2%. Answer. Express x% in decimal formula. Required decimal is equal to x by 100 is equal to 0.0x. Question: express 23% in decimal. Solution: required decimal is equal to 23 by 100 is equal to 0.23. Now some tricky questions and tricks. Trick number 1: if x% of A is equal to y% of B, then z% of A is equal to yz by x% of B. Question: if 15% of A is equal to 20% of B, then 25% of A is equal to what percent of B? Solution: required percentage of B is equal to 20 into 25 by 15% is equal to 100 by 3% is equal to 33 and 1 by 3%. Answer. Trick number 2: when a number x increased or decreased by y%, then new number will be 100 plus minus y into x by 100, plus for increase and minus for decrease. Question: monthly income of a person is rupees 50,000. If his income increased by 30%, then what is his monthly income now? Solution. Now his income in rupees equal to 100 plus 30 into 50,000 by 100 is equal to 130 into 500 equal to 65,000 rupees. In trick number 3, there are two tricks. First trick, if x is a% more than y, then y is a by 100 plus a into 100% less than x. And trick number 2, that is second, if x is a% less than y, then y is a by 100 minus a into 100 more than x. Question. A's salary is 20% less than B's salary, then B's salary is how much percentage more than A's salary? Solution. Required percentage is equal to 20 by 80 because 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. So 20 by 80 into 100. So 0 0 cancel, 2 4 ja 8 and 4 25 ja 100. So 25%. Question. If the price of sugar increased by 10%, then by how much percent consumption should be reduced so that the expenditure remains the same? Solution. Required percentage is equal to 10 by 100 plus 10 into 100 is equal to 1000 by 110 is equal to 100 by 11 is equal to 9 and 1 by 11% answer. Trick number 4. If the value of a number increased by a% and then decreased by a%, changed value of the number decreased by is equal to a square by 100%. Question. The salary of a worker is increased by 5% and then decreased by 5%. What is the change in his salary? According to the formula, decreased percentage is equal to 5 square by 100% is equal to 25 by 100% is equal to 0.25% answer. Trick 5. If the present population of a city is P and there is an increment or decrement is R1%, R2% and R3% in first, second and third year respectively, then population of the city after 3 years is equal to P into 1 plus minus R1 by 100 into 1 plus minus R2 by 100 into 1 plus minus R3 by 100. Here we use plus for increment and minus for decrement. Question. Population in a city in 2018 was 10 lakh. In 2019 increased by 15%. In 2020 decreased by 35%. In 2021 increased by 45%. What is the population of the city after 3 years? Solution. Here P is equal to 10 lakh and R1 is equal to 15%, R2 35% and R3 is equal to 45%. So population after 3 years is equal to 10 lakh into 1 plus 15 by 100 into 1 minus 35 by 100. Here minus because the population decreased by 35% into 1 plus 45 by 100 is equal to 10 lakh into 115 by 100 into 65 by 100 into 145 by 100. Now all zeros are cancelled, so this is equal to 115 into 65 into 145. Now 115 into 65 into 145 is equal to 7475 into 145 is equal to 10,83,875 answer. Thank you.